It's dead.
You sure?
Uh-huh. The element's rusted out.
Anyone want to make some Toll House cookies with me?
How much to replace it?
2 bills used, 4 new.
Shit.
How about I can get started on the crust.
Go take a shower.
I wanna make pie.
You know what? Hand me the obits. Maybe we can scavenge a dead person's water heater. Thank you. Oh, Mrs. Dombrowski.
Oh, the shaky neck lady? I thought she drowned a couple years ago.
No, Mrs. Goga had the shaky neck and she drowned in her own vomit last Easter.
No pie. Get in the shower. I'm not saying it again. Carl, no. I went to school with Kenny Dombrowski. I think he had a crush on me.
Shh. No wakes this morning. Let's go. Up, up, up.
Can I come?
No.
Debbie, what is going on with you?
Nothing.
Shower after Debbie. Towel and robe upstairs. Go.
Oh, no, that's me.
And you need to learn how to change your own diaper.
Oh, shit! That's cold! What the hell? Veronica! There's no hot water! What? Fucking Gallaghers!
So we're just gonna wait out here? He's a chain-smoking pothead in a stress-inducing situation. He'll be out soon.
What were we supposed to say?
Why don't you play it cool?
Play what cool?
Things people play cool. Jesus, Ian.
Got your own cell?
Oh, some kid left in the cafeteria. Hey, Care. Yeah, I'm at some dead lady's house trying to see if I can score a water heater. Meet me after?
Stop the car. Hey! Hey!
Hey, almost new.
Debbie stole a baby. We have to figure out how to return it.
Debbie stole a baby.
Yeah.
Why?
It's Debbie.
I did not see that coming. Can't we just give it back?
No, I wish we could. It's too late now.
Wow.
Find Carl and get home now.
Yeah.
Hey, did you bring in the water heater from the back porch?
No?
Well, it's not on the porch.
Seriously? Bunch of fucking animals.
690, 700, 710, 715 factory.
Thanks for buying her that doll.
No, not a problem.
I would feel great right now. A long, hot shower.
I'll wash your back.
Shit. No hot water.
You really are beautiful.
I hope I'm not fucking up the kids.
Stop right there.
Debbie?
It's our new water heater. I got it on sale. I'm free delivery. He said because I'm a hero.
You are my girl.